Hi, today we're going to make some chicken wraps and these are our fillings: peppers, carrots, onions and our chicken, whatever spices we have. Right, so we're going to start off with a half a teaspoon of garlic in our oil. The onions in there. Then the carrots. And the green peppers. We've got some black crushed pepper, just a quarter teaspoon of green chili, and just a quarter teaspoon of mixed herbs. So we're just going to stir fry this until the veggies we don't want them too soft. They still need to have the crispiness in them, and then we'll stir fry the chicken. Okay, so while this is stir frying, we're going to make our cucumber yogurt sauce for the wraps. So in my bowl I've got a quarter cucumber, which I've grated. And I've squeezed out all the liquid from it. To that I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of crushed cumin. I'm going to add some garlic and ginger and green chili. This is mixed with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Okay. To this you need to add salt to taste. Okay, so we'll set this aside, and this will be used once our chicken and the veggies is already stir fried. When we're going to start doing our wraps. Okay, so the veggies are right now. It's been stir frying for about between 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to set this aside and we're going to do the chicken. So now we're going to do the chicken for the wraps. Put my chicken in my pan. And some garlic. And green chili. So you can substitute your chili or pepper depending on how strong or spicy you want your chicken to be. And to this, we'll add a dash of lemon juice. And we'll stir fry this until the chicken is no longer pinkish. chicken is done, take it off, set it aside, and we're going to eat the wraps and fold them. Okay, so we've heated the wraps up now in the microwave as indicated on the package. Cut the wrap from the center to the edge. That way. We'll take our cucumber mixture. And we are just going to rub it on the entire wrap. So we're going to place the chicken on 1/4 of the wrap. The veggies on another 1/4 of the wrap. And we're going to place some cheese on the last 1/4 of the wrap. Folding. We take the 1/4 over the chicken, over to the veggies, and then the 3rd 1/4 will be your cheese, which we have. So we are going to place this in the on the toaster to toast it, or you can just eat it the way you have it here. So one. You can put any sauce that you want on this. So this is a chili sauce that I'm going to put on the chicken. You can use whatever other sauce, sweet chili. And everything else is before. Veggies on the one side. And cheese on the 3rd side. Okay, water over. Over to veggies, and then the last, your cheese. So this is what it looks like. If you're not going to toast it, you can just as well eat it this way. Tastes just as well. But we're going to toast it on the flat bread toaster. We've got a George Foreman, and we'll show you how it looks when it comes out. Okay, so we're putting it on the George Foreman. We're going to put it for about 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how hot your toaster is. And we will show you once it's done what it looks like. Okay, so this is your wrap. After about 5 minutes, let's see how nice it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and there will be more recipes to follow.